Safety of our kids is obviously of paramount importance.
Safety is just what pastors had in mind when they canceled services and kids programs on Sunday at Double Oak Community Church.
When you hear the word, whooping cough pertussis, we vaccinate for this. We were nervous like everybody else.
The Alabama Department of Public Health is investigating after several kids who attended the Shelby County Church's Vacation Bible School tested positive for whooping cough.
Started with about 4 cases that they had identified. And that's led to maybe 8 cases total that we know of.
Pastor Adam Robinson says they alerted the congregation and told them the symptoms.
You're contagious and you don't know it. You don't have any symptoms, and so nobody had any reason to keep their kids home.
Those symptoms include coughing attacks, runny nose, and fever.
Good news for church members. Unless the health department tells them differently, all services and programs here are back to normal on Sunday.
Pastors believe the worst is over, but offer this warning.
If you've got flu-like symptoms or cold-like symptoms, please just stay home for a couple days. Get tested if you have any concerns.
In Shelby County, Mary O'Connell, WVTM 13.